Hey guys, just a quick one from me to explain your billing journey in more detail with usecure. With a lot of products there is always a worry that you have to remember to cancel or change something during a trial or interim period with your client. But with usecure that's just not the case. You will only ever get charged for users once you manually convert them on the uService platform. This means that you can use as many trials as you wish, and usecure will always prompt you towards the end of every single trial and ask if you would like to convert your customer to a live account or, of course, cancel. Even if you forget to click one of those outcomes, all trials with usecure will simply lapse and you will not be charged. Now the price for usecure is just 97p on a rolling contract with no commitment at all, so you will only ever get billed what you are using in that given month. Throughout the month itself, usecure do spot checks and then send us a report based on your highest usage count of that given month. That figure is then billed to you through Zen, and the process is repeated for the following month and so on. Your usage can go up and down as you see fit, but the important thing to remember is that your billing will always be accurate and never based on any commitments. Because of this, we do highly recommend that you are on our direct debit payment scheme, as it does make life simpler for all involved. Once you have been using usecure for a little while, you will also start to notice our proactive pricing tiers. To keep it understandable, we have tiers set at 500 users for 90p, 1000 users for 85p, 2500 users for 80p, and finally 5000 users for 75p. These tiers are all automatic, which means the minute your usage enters into the next pricing bracket, your fee for the whole estate will also go down too. You don't have to do anything. We regularly see MSPs grow into 5,000, 1,000, 500, whatever it might be very quickly. So when you hit a higher tier, be rest assured that your price will naturally come down too. That's all for the billing cycle, but feel free to reach out to me if you have any other questions. Thank you.